Good morning, everyone. This is Steve at 7th Arrow. Me and Dabney are out kayaking this morning. We're on a little canal that runs between Lake Kissimmee and Lake Rosalie. Gorgeous morning. Have our Axio with us to keep us going. This is just Florida. Let me turn this thing around so you can see. I even brought a fishing pole. Maybe I'll catch something. Seen lots of gators this morning, even a little baby one. I got him on video earlier. But spent the weekend down here in Lake Kissimmee State Park with some friends and family for this Memorial Day weekend. And we're just out here this morning, enjoying the morning. Living our activated life. Because I'm telling you, stuff works. Anyway, you guys have a great day. We will talk again soon. See ya!